In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix Roblox error code 273 on your MacBook. So this means you were disconnected because your account tried to join a game from another device, or the server got confused during the rapid teleport. To fix this, start by logging out of all active sessions, and then you want to change your password if you think someone that shouldn't be is on your account. And then the next thing you can do is clear your device's cache. So to do it on your MacBook, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is open up Finder, then go to the top left corner and press Go. Go to folder and then type this in. I'll leave it in the description down below. Press enter. Now go to edit, select all, file, move to bin. So now we've cleared our cache, we can try log into Roblox again. If you find that it's still not working, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app. So to uninstall it, go to applications, press the search bar and look for Roblox. Right click on this, move to bin. And you'll need to reinstall Roblox from the official Roblox website. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe.